everyone and welcome to my channel. So this video is all about reused plastic bottles and I'm going to share 4 DIYs using plastic bottles. All of these 4 DIYs are not exactly different from each other, but you can use them in your own unique ways. So like in this video, I'm using 4 plastic bottles. All of them are of different sizes, but I'm going to cut them in the same way and create different uses out of it.
Dream machine, racing queen, I'll take you wherever you wanna go. Let's blow this town, break the speed of sound. Tonight we all know racing. Dream machine, racing queen, you make my heart beat, you make my heart beat.
So this completes my video. I hope you liked it, and if you do give it a big thumbs up, and do share pictures with me on my Instagram account. Link will be in the description box. I would love to share your creations. So thank you for watching, and do subscribe to my channel.